Today, I will be showing you how to get Claude Cowork for free. You need the Claude desktop app to do this. If you don't have the app, click the download icon next to your profile icon. Once you are in the app, click the plus sign, then click Add Connector, then click Browse Connectors. Search for File System and select the one that has a gray folder icon. Click Install and enable it. You can also add other connectors of your choice. Now exit and go to the prompt window and ask Claude to work in a folder like Downloads and create a file.
Ask it to create a file in the folder that you chose. As you can see, Claude Cowork can do all these tasks. Let's see if we can do the same with the free plan. It will say that it doesn't have access to the folder. Don't worry, we just need to add it as a allowed directory. Go to the File System connector and click Configure. Click Add a directory under Allowed Directories, and select the folder you want Claude to work in. Rerun the prompt. It will create the file.